Yesterday, Judge Sullivan of the United States District Court for the District of Columbia had a hearing where the Department of Justice was supposed to explain why they had not yet turned over the redaction logs and document logs for the judge's review in camera, meaning by him in chambers. All they could do is lie. They said, well, his orders weren't clear. They didn't understand. It was duplicative of something else. Todd Blanche sent an underling who the reports are his hands was shaking, his face was bright red. He didn't have an answer for the judge. And the judge said, but you came here. There were orders that you were coming here to give an answer. And this hearing went on with the Department of Justice lying through their teeth to a federal district court judge who said repeatedly, I'm here to enforce the law that Congress passed that said all of this was supposed to become public. All the Epstein documents were supposed to become public, protecting only the names of victims. And if the Department of Justice is going to claim somebody's a victim, you better tell me how. So they had no answers to any of this. They did just saying, I need a clear order. He said, what do you want my orders to say now? This time I really mean it. The judge to say that he was not happy would be a massive understatement. So what he did is he turned to plaintiff's counsel, and that is, oh shoot, I now forget her first name, but she's a journalist. The last name is Phang, Phang, who brought the case and said, I want plaintiff's counsel to provide me orders that I will sign and give very specific dates when the government's going to turn over this information to me, and I will enter those orders, and there's going to be no doubt about it. And he said to the government, I've held the government in contempt of court before. I will not hesitate to do it again if you don't obey this order and these timelines. So it didn't, the documents didn't come as we had hoped yesterday, but justice is on its way, and it's a train that's not going to be stopped by the likes of Todd Blanche, who, in my humble opinion, should be disbarred. He has no right to be a lawyer. Let's talk at the same time. Judge Williams down in Florida is given the government. Said that she was going to issue sanctions. The government asked for delay after delay after delay, and she said, you haven't given me any reason to not impose these sanctions. She said to the people who have asked for sanctions to be entered against the government, and I assume Trump, to give her an order sometime today that she will enter to effectuate those sanctions that she was considering. So the vice is closing, and it's hopefully it's going to be incredibly painful for these people.